Hello, beautiful people. I want to remind you that in this beautiful Wednesday, even if you don't have all figured out to move forward, please know that progress is progress, no matter how small it is. Progress is progress. Which of my recent videos resonate the most with you? Comment on the comment section below and let me know. Guys, coming days I will be posting about the progress on our house. It has been so stressful, but at least we are getting there.